everybody, welcome to 54 Nights RV. We are taking a quick look at the 2019 Winnebago Forza 38F. It's a diesel coach, 40 foot long, so don't let the 38F nomenclature throw you.
F is in fun.
33,000 pound chassis. It's got a 10-gallon water heater on it, 100-gallon fresh water tank. And Terry trying to
I
tear
look like I'm
things
trying
up.
to break into something and somebody came in and caught me.
And it's pretty much what happened. This one has a king or a queen bed. Depends on what you want.
And you usually sacrifice some space on the sides with a king.
There's side storage in that wardrobe closet there.
Yes, you always sacrifice that. You get a Hawaiian shirted Chris in the mirror.
Easy. Good sized TV for in the bedroom. She's pointing out some of the space behind the slide here. Got the rear bath. A lot of storage in this bathroom. Two sinks. Good sized shower with a seat in it. A lot of storage here underneath the sink.
Mm-hmm.
What's behind there? Oh, washer dryer combo. Or not a combo, it's actually a stackable washer and dryer. Typically those louvered doors tell you that's...
It's either equipped for one or there's one there.
Yep. Another bathroom, half bath.
With a little sprayer by the toilet.
Medicine cabinet. Like the shelf right beside the couch on either side of the couch.
Mm-hmm.
That's nice.
Mm-hmm.
I like the layout of this when the TV is right across from the couch.
It feels like we're going down the road right there.
Does have a fireplace.
Somebody started it up while we were looking at it.
A lot of these cabinets have the slide out drawers on them, which is nice. Got your overhead storage here. It's pretty deep storage, typically is. Big old drawer that goes the length of that little end table there.
It's deep storage. You can put your deep thoughts in there.
Yeah, they'd be empty on your side.
Wow.
Little glass top, covered stove. I guess Winnebago did not get the memo about the rectangle squared off sinks.
Yeah, they seem to be the in thing except for Winnebago's. Why is it shiny down there? What was that?
I really couldn't tell you. It's got a convection microwave, no oven, just the stovetop. I like the dash layout here. Everything's within reach of the driver. Which you'd be surprised at how many coaches have things that are beyond arm's length for us shorter folk. The flat top dash is nice, and a little bit of storage there underneath. All your leveling controls and your transmission.
Dr. Pepper.
Don't think it comes with a Dr. Pepper.
Really? I bet you could get it as an extra.
Let's let the cameraman make us seasick for a minute.
It's okay.
That folding table, it's nice. It's nice to have a table there. I think she's pointed out in previous videos where you got to be careful. This thing leans back with the chair, so it's not like you can set your coffee up there unless you're wanting to wear it.
And if you have to get out, you're going to have to empty that table.
Well, that one probably not so
Yeah,
much.
you could probably slide out to the side, couldn't
Yeah.
you? But still getting out the door for everybody to get out the door.
Yeah. Little mat pocket. Just a lot of places to hide stuff in this one.
Yeah. And I will say it's a Forza, which is better than a 3za, but not as good as a 5za.
Wow. You know how cold weather makes dogs hyper?
It's cold out
It's
there.
30 degrees out here right now. I'm just going to leave
love
it at that.
it.
So, a little bit long for our taste, but it's a nice coach. I like the layout.
It's a Winnebago.
And it's Winnebago, which, Winnebago's is like one of the top ones in our mind anyway.
Been doing it for a while. They kind of know what they're doing.
Yeah. My question is, and this is a nagging question for me, what's the big deal with two sinks? I don't get it.
We've never needed the sink at the same time. We've never even been like, wow, I wish he'd hurry up with the sink so I could use the sink.
So, enlighten us. What's the deal with the two sinks?
Do you use them?
Yeah. So, anyway, with all that silliness,
Silliness?
take a look around 54 Nights RV. If you like the content on our channel, which isn't always RV walkthroughs, there's other things there. Subscribe to the channel, stick around with us. We'd like to have you along for the ride. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and we'll catch y'all later.
Bye-bye.